CMF by Nothing just launched the brand new Phone 2 Pro, and I was actually there at the launch event in India. Masala tea taste check.
You know the correct word?
Okay. And this phone is looking to shake up everything we know about budget smartphone. Now, apart from the phone itself, we're also going to look at some of the most popular accessories that you can get for this. Here in Malaysia, you can only get the lanyard, unfortunately, but there's so many other cool accessories that I want to show you in this video. For those of you who don't know, CMF is a sub-brand of Nothing. So what you expect from CMF is basically everything you get from Nothing at a more affordable price point. And a lot of people didn't know that CMF actually stands for color, material, and finish. Now, this is definitely one of the most fun smartphones in the market, but how good is it really for you to purchase and use as your daily driver? Let's find out in this video. Starting from the first and most obvious look at this, the design. It's slim, clean, and surprisingly premium. The first thing you notice is how sleek the phone is. It's only 7.8 mm and weighs 185 grams. This is also the thinnest phone Nothing has ever made, both for Nothing and CMF. And the design language is exactly what you'd expect from Nothing. Minimalist, but also that industrial kind of look. And just like you would expect from a CMF phone, you've got those screws all across the side of the body. This time, not to remove the backplate entirely, but to attach the protective case on top for you to attach all of these accessories that you see on the table here. Phone aside, let's talk about some of the accessories that we have. So we have accessories. Okay. Number one, starting with the one that you need the most, which is the protective case or the attachment case that allows for all these accessories to be used with the phone. All right, so here's how it basically works. So we're gonna come in here with the screws that they provide inside the cover, universal cover, and just simply start unscrewing these. All right, so now we have this removed. We're gonna go back in and start screwing back this top cover. So that's the cover on top. And now you can either attach the regular nubbin, I want to call it, or you could go with this one, which comes with the lanyard attachment. Screw that on, just like that. So this is going to be loose. And then you've got the lanyard right like that. And actually, the lanyard is the only one that's available in Malaysia. So if you want to get your hands on the lanyard, very, very useful. That's how you do it. Slap this on and boom. There you go. So for the next attachment, you actually have the wallet and stand. So this is what it looks like. Very similar to Moft. If you guys have any experience using Moft, so let me show you what my Moft wallet looks like. That's the one on my iPhone right here. So you can see that. Because this has a magnet built in, technically this would work with this as well. MagSafe kind of magnet back here, MagSafe kind of magnet back here, and boom, there we go, nice and attached. Good thing about this is if you open this up, your card can slot in here, or you can just use it as a stand just like that. Probably my favorite one, which is going to be the interchangeable lens right over here. So this comes with, like I said, the ultra wide and also the macro. The way this works is the cover, the universal cover that we actually had, has grooves built in. So if you see a close-up of that, there's grooves right over there. So all you would need to do, no apps, no whatever, just, that's it. So now that we have the macro lens on, look how much closer we can actually get to the subject. That's some really crazy magnification. Just look at those details. And just like that, remember how the phone started? Look at how it ended. Which is what I meant when I said this is truly the most modular phone on the market right now. And if you want to customize exactly what it does, how you use it, that's the way to do it. In terms of colors, you've got the 4 main colors. Obviously, you've got the most popular hero color, which is the orange right here, which has this dual tone sort of design, and powering this is the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Pro, and the Phone 2 Pro delivers strong mid-range performance. You get an 8-core CPU with 16 GB of RAM via RAM booster and a real focus on efficiency thanks to the 4nm processor. Performance mode is built for gaming and it's optimized for up to 120 FPS when you're in the gaming mode. And the cooling and feel that you're going to get at the back of the phone isn't going to be too overheated when you're exposed to long hours of gaming or even multitasking. I was shooting photos and videos in 4K with this in the streets of New Delhi at 42 degrees and it didn't have any issues whatsoever. Now let's talk about what's up front on the phone, which is the display. This is CMF's largest and brightest display to date, coming in at 6.77 inch. It's an AMOLED display with 1.07 billion colors and up to 3000 nits of peak brightness. That's 50% brighter than the Phone 1, and it's super easily visible outdoors, especially like I said, when I was shooting in bright sunlight. It supports HDR10+, Ultra HDR capture, and 120 Hz of adaptive refresh rate, which makes it feel super fluid. It also comes with 2160 Hz of PWM dimming, so even if you're lying in bed at night, it's not gonna burn your eye just completely off. In terms of battery, you're getting a 5000 milliamp hour battery, which considering the thickness of this phone is actually pretty cool. This is gonna last you an entire day, even up to 2 days with some moderate to high usage. If you're gonna be using it for gaming and recording a lot of 4K video, you might deplete the battery a little bit quicker, but you can charge it up pretty decently fast with a 33-watt charger. Speed-wise, obviously not incredibly fast, but considering the price of this phone, I think that's pretty respectable. Now let's talk about something I care about a lot, which is the camera right there at the back of the CMF Phone 2 Pro. Now this comes with a 50 megapixel main camera, which captures 64% more light than last year's model. This is especially useful when you're in low light situations to capture more light to give you better performance with lesser noise. The telephoto camera on here is also a 50 megapixel camera that's capable of 2x optical zoom, but can go up to 20x in digital zoom, which to me was quite surprising because honestly speaking, the telephoto shots on this were kind of underwhelming, especially considering that it's a 50 megapixel sensor. But hey, given the price of the phone, I can't complain too much, but it's just that the expectation for a 50 megapixel camera doesn't really meet the resolution that I was getting from the shots. There's also an ultra wide camera, which is 8 megapixels. Don't really expect too much from this. I think there's a reason why the lens kit that you get with it has a fisheye sort of thing. In terms of video, 4K 30 FPS is what you're gonna be shooting with. It has HDR as well, and I think the video performance is very standard considering the price. Now let's talk about the software and one of the reasons why these phones are extremely appealing. So you're getting Nothing OS 3.2 based on Android 15. And of course, we can't forget the AI that you're getting built into this phone using Nothing OS. What I'm talking about is of course this key on the side, the essential key for the essential space. Just like on the Nothing phone, this is the space for you to store all of your screenshots with your voice notes and everything. So it's a more organized, customized mind palace for you to go back to refer for tasks, notes, all automated using AI. I think the essential space is something that I would use all the time, especially as someone who's quite forgetful or has too many things happening. I have so many screenshots on my phone that I don't know why they're there. So who is the CMF Phone 2 Pro for? So obviously within this price range, if you're interested in Nothing Phone and the Nothing OS, for this budget, it's kind of a no-brainer because the CMF Phone 2 Pro is basically giving you everything you'd want from the Nothing Phone. We've seen so many cool designs come in from some creators who have like a 3D printer at home. They print out something and then they can attach it by themselves to the phone. Like they can have like a croc thing in the back. Did you know that? That's so cool. So you can make whatever you want with this phone, and I think no one is doing this except these guys. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Until then, take care.